Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Morphics in Warframe. Morphics are uncommon crafting resources used for building Warframes and equipment. One option is to open the market and search for Morphics. As you can see, Morphics are available in the market and can be purchased directly. Another method is to go to your navigation. The fastest early game option is traveling to Phobos. On Phobos, run the Iliad mission, an assassination mission against the Sergeant. This mission has a high Morphics drop rate. Repeat it until you collect the amount you need. If you haven't unlocked this mission yet, just follow these steps and you'll be good to go. Another option is running low-level exterminate or capture missions on Mercury. Missions like Apollodorus or Tolstoj provide steady Morphics drops in short runs. For higher-level players, missions such as Wahiba on Mars or Valak on Europa are also effective for farming Morphics. Equip a resource booster for double drops and bring loot-focused Warframes. Warframes like Necros or Hydroid can further increase your chances. That's it. You've learned how to farm Morphics efficiently using Iliad on Phobos. Low-level Mercury missions, higher-level resource-rich missions, and by purchasing them directly from the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.